Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Yes, my hair is pink. I realised that you haven't seen a video with me with pink hair because I did it today and this is going up before the vlog. So yes, I toned my hair pink this morning because I wanted to. So today, this video is a wardrobe declutter. A few weeks ago, my dad gave us like 5 bags of clothes from his house that I never picked up, that I haven't seen in about 2 years. So I'm about to rewind a few weeks and show you me going through those, and then we're gonna come back here and we're gonna fill the drawers. So the drawers are built, thank the freaking Lord. I never thought the day would come. I'm gonna give you a little time lapse of me filling these puppies up. So enjoy my mini wardrobe declutter or bag declutter, and I'm gonna be doing this. We're making little steps to getting the bedroom and the wardrobe completed. Let's go. I'm gonna do a very casual video for you guys today, and it's gonna be another clothing declutter. I did one of these recently a couple months ago, so I'll link that down below if you haven't seen it. Also ignore the fact that I'm missing 3 nails. I am in my pajamas right now. We're keeping things very chilled, okay? No makeup. It is Friday and I've taken today to clean, and part of cleaning is decluttering. You may be wondering, Emma, what are these bags? Why have you got loads of black bin liners next to you? So these bags are bags of clothes that my dad gave to Tim a couple days ago. He did a doorstep drop off. He was like, these were all clothes that you never took. So I've not seen these clothes in about 2 years. So I thought it would be an interesting declutter because I have no idea what's in these bags. Were clothes that I left at my dad's house when I moved out and never went to go pick up. So I guess we'll just find out what's in here together. Today I'm gonna do a massive Depop drop. So my Depop's linked down below if you want to pick up any of these pieces. So let's get cracking. Oh, we're losing another nail. We're at the 2-week mark for stick-on nails. They've lasted well, but they're on their way out. Oh my god, this dress is like the ultimate throwback. I remember I saw Dolly Bobo wearing this in a YouTube video. We're talking like 5 or 6 years ago, and I bought it, and it was at the time a little splurge for me. It was from Topshop. I loved this dress, and now it's like a top. I may see if I can make this work just for nostalgia reasons. Oh my god, that is a fun idea for a video. What are you? Oh my god, is this a bra? Oh my god. My boobs used to be enormous. Oh my god. This absolutely will not even come close to fitting me anymore. Ha, classic. Maybe it's a pajama top actually, that's quite nice. What the hell is this? A metallic off the shoulder number, that can go. Super soft. Oh my god, I loved this. That's a dressing gown, that can stay. Always room for a dressing gown or 3. A little bit of a Joe Exotic moment here. I like that though, that can also stay. Oh my god, this still has freaking labels on it. That's so cute, but it's cute. That's one for Depop. One of you would like that, I'm sure. Oh my god, this wavy shirt, that can stay. Charity, charity. Oh my god, this still has labels on it. That's really cute. Depop. Oh my god, I loved that. I'm gonna see if that fits me. Still got labels on. Yes, that can stay. That's amazing. Oh my god, I loved this. You can stay. my god, lol. I used to wear this all the time. I'll get rid of that. My Burn Your Bra t-shirt. Who remembers this? You Have to Stay. Oh, Nelly. The OG rainbow jumper. Oh my god. I can't believe this was at my dad's. I didn't know where this was. So much. I've got to keep that, obviously. I can't believe that was there. The ugliest Christmas jumper in the world that Tim got me. That's great. That can stay. Tim's gonna be happy about this. This is my dad's and I stole it from him and I love it so much and he's given it to me, and Tim actually asked me about this yesterday. So this can go to mine and Tim's shared wardrobe. More Christmas jumpers. Professional wrapper, my favorite Christmas jumper. I used to live in this coat. Oh my god. That can go on Depop, I think, for Christmas. Might be a bit big for me, but it's a nice red. My dressing gown. Oh wow. The last bag. Lots of Christmas clothes here. We got a charity bag and then we've got a fat Depop pile. This is all gonna be on my Depop when this video goes live. We got Topshop jeans. There's a selection here and it is all going to you. I'll probably do a secondary, look at how I'm sat. Just thought I'd do some yoga. Look at my legs. I'll probably do a secondary cull pretty soon. But now this is exciting. I got some old stuff that I can now start wearing again. And it's quite nice because I feel like I've gone shopping, even though this stuff I've had for years. Let's go give Tim the jacket.
Oh, nice.
Not a very good response, Tim.
What? Oh, I heard you talking about it, that's why. It wasn't much of a surprise, and we talked about it yesterday as you recapped all the viewers sitting at home.
Shut up. So that is the end of that. I don't know whether that is worthy of a whole video to itself. Who knows? You'll know, because you'll know when this video goes live. Okay, so what I'm thinking is I'm gonna do underwear in here, and then pajamas in here, and then activewear, maybe activewear in here. Let's do this thing. is now, let me have a look at my watch. It's now quarter five. It's now 5:15 on the day that this video is supposed to go live, and it's meant to go live at 5. So I'm gonna have to wrap this up, but got a little bit of underwear. We got some activewear. We got pajamas. We got casual tees, fun tees. We've got a couple boxes of clothes to put away and 3 empty drawers. So I'm gonna do that probably tomorrow. So you'll probably see some more of this in the weekly vlog. The drawers that are gonna belong to Tim, they're now empty. I've literally just moved everything out of those drawers into my new drawers. Now Tim can fill his drawers with his little bits and bobs. Right, so thank you guys for watching. I'm sorry this was kind of an all over the place video. I hope you enjoyed it. A very exciting piece of furniture arrived today, so I'm gonna build that tomorrow, which means that you guys will be getting a renovation vlog maybe on Thursday next week. We shall see. But thank you guys for watching, and I will see you on Sunday for the weekly vlog. Bye.